Maybe.
A what? Say that again.
Wait, that. It may not be that whole thing.
Show Finn.
I'm looking at the dive.
How do you spray it? Oh, you pull the trigger.
With the end. With the end from in.
It's a circle, bud. There's not an end.
Well, so you start right here, and you go round, and you come back over here, and you go round. And this is like the start line.
Do you never stop?
I guess you can never stop it.
Till you run out of gas, huh?
Mm-hmm.
After doing a little bit of maintenance work to the tractor, we got a little bit of inspiration and help from our folks over at ChatGPT, who helped us design a track. But before we were able to dig into the ground, we headed over to our local Ace Hardware, picked up a few cans of spray paint, and we're about to walk the field and lay out what will hopefully be our long-lasting, family fun go-kart track.
We're breaking ground for the first time on our all-new go-kart mini bike track. Scott's about to put the blade in the ground right here at the start line.
Unknowingly to us, this wasn't going to be the best course of action for ripping up the grass and for making the go-kart track. While we had several failed attempts with just the implements that we had with the tractor, I finally reverted to getting on the mower, lowering the blades as low as I could go, and just scalping the grass as much as I could. So after the tractor, as you can see here, I scalped. I made many passes around the track, and in the next video, you'll see our first ride around the go-kart track. And by this point of making the video, our kids have already had hours of fun on the track that we've made.